Alright, yamo bibiaha enfambra Okoman 97.1 ebredu se jade agudemu ensemo Jabwabwano atunidin Okoman Global Sports the afternoon version no jade ni nyina enso ede ba yetena sese no na yede ensemo a efri oman konkron Ghana ya gudemu ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu ana ya kefua ayede ni nyina enso ede eba ensemo a esisi ewo ya gudemu most importantly ana nei yatena se a mene me panels agudemu akonfo yatena se ye ba bedi ehun ebobo apapa mu ahwe nsem ni nyina enso poma sibre se de ye be ya yagudie ni nso no ebetumi akonkan na akoyie dia ese abasobode no na yetumi abona baso de hia se ene ye be criticize no na ye de ni nyina enso yetumi afra na ye de pushi one nation agenda na bibia nso etumi aye kama yabema obibia akwaba awelcome obibia on board to the flight number 97.1 Okoman radio uremu a jumedie no etwegu ewo all the social media platforms ne so jumedie no etwegu pa Okoman radio 97.1 ewo Facebook sanso na uremu ewo YouTuber ehon so jumedie no etwegu Okoman radio 971 uduwa na wetumi subscribe kama na adoma na da won wetumi emi aso se kre na ene jumedi awudo bia ebetumi akoso no wonso you be the first person wonso betumi get in touch na wadwene jumedi awudo a eno so ekoso on your super dial na bibie tumi akonkan yetemu fisabri adonko abo apan simadu no ekokopem se non ko mienu anase non mienu ebebo 2 pm ansa na ebetumi asore so 2 pm sharp na yetumi aboye ketemu na yanso yasore jumedi na so in the next 50 minutes there ya gudemu ensempa undiluted and ye de hu sem ni nyina enso ede eba executive producer General Kofi Anson Bafo Nana Kofi Okore Ajman enso head of sports AK Pasoro Paradise ana ajwa opoku eboa urem wo social media ni mu a apprentice friend DJs GP enso eboa yes kemeches manioma nyina etumi akonkan producer enso DJ Vibes ana eboa majumedie no enso etumi akonkan kama ene misumitem edema AK as your host Krobea Asante ye ba be hwe Bet Power Ghana Premier League endra de etumi ehyaase too much say to me akonkan results epiem no ye de nyina enso ede ba any other reactions ene matches are to dwano so ye de ho nsem emba glorious impressive Accra House folk enso ebogem ene ewo nsu atre de ho nsem nyina enso ede ba na ya hwe hawa games na be koso ene nso ebesi akọ na ya delve deep into endurance games a etumi eto dwano Black Galaxies onum sene ye hwe nim se ne ankombo tu kwan akwa akopiemu ewo Egypt said na watchu etwemu ye de betu gwa no ene yentumi amba so ama players no womo e breaki womo ewo camp a womo return to womo various club side na womo nso etumi ede Bet Power Premier League no resumption of the season nso etumi ahyehyɛ so na bibia etumi aye kama enti players no ene obi bia nso edwane womo respective clubs na womo nso etumi abo games no enso ede ama womo and sisi antia eba ne kire se anhwe ya na jawada anase fiada so anasa Black Galaxies womo akwantu no eno nso ebetumi abaso enti eno nso ene kakra ye hwe nim se ebetumi esi na bibia nso etumi aye kama na players a womo e break womo camp no aso ye ba be hwe the positives impact any the negative impact a ebetumi enya e national teams ni so 13th of January ana tournament no ehya chan will be man so Algeria northern part of Africa ana nso betumi akoso ba be hwe sa ensensem no enso enyina glorious impressive Accra House of folk sese no betumi aka say oye former captain abranti friend of Fatawu Mohammed and brand so eko grantee interviews kakra ensem epiepiem no je be ba be hwe mu eho ene wata akoso asanso ato aso ensem okeka ndra ni nyina ene or the apology letter so etumi abana say when your platform etumi apologize niama anko yie in that particular interview or granting or endra no enso e de aba ye ba be hwe san sensem ni nyina e wo ho na nioma so etumi aye kama any host of other stories are eno so every amanfo so close so ana ene no ye de eba before that ye be ko na yaka akofa amanoni ensemo a yede ni nyina enso ede eba no amanone nsem no yebeko akofa aba yeba na yede ensem no ni nyina enso etumi ato aso
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Aso!
Mira Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va. Se va para el gol o Tevez. Caleri o Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cantalo. Y de Rabona.
Jete amononi semono e de bro o Okoman Radio 97.1 se wo dwane a na enewa dwane o Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso ana YouTube no enso e Okoman Radio 971 na so wetumi adwane feed no se yaka se radio no aba be audio visual ante wutie no na sanso hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories a yeti ni nyina enso e de eba pictorial presentation evidence based stories na ne no yeti ni nyina enso e de eba yebevremu e wo Confederation of African Football aso ye ene uremu International Federation of Football History and Statistics. Wamonso etumi edit the top 10 clubs, best clubs in Africa. Wamonso etumi edit ababe to egwa honoma. Yeti hunsem ni nyina enso edit pana club odi kan kra no. Enso Egyptian club a ye from Al Ahly. Wamo anane wamo edrin kadi otosu mienu Moroccan club a Wydad Casablanca ana wamonso no etoso mienu hosanso ana Algerian team CR Belouizdad. Wamo etoso miensa sanso no ana Zamalek esi etoso nine Pyramid of Egypt etoso enum ana Petro Rwanda sono Angola wamuso etoso ensiama Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa etoso enson ho 7 position ana wamoda ana Algerian side ESAT sono etoso enwotwe na Raja Casablanca etoso enkron anefi Simba SC wamuso etoso eduwe the top 10 best clubs are wamuso the African continent no we no IFFHS ana wamuso etumi ediaba wamudi bibia etumi ababeto teams ni nyina enso ene wamu points accumulation ana ne wamuso etumi ediaye ranking a yeti ni nyina enso edi etodwa ho referee ono African referee ono so every South Africa South African international referee Victor Miguel Gomez ene ono so etumi returning ana say announcing retirement from ene international football officiating uremu anya dia ono so obetumi officiate games bio referee no or the jumedie ni nyina enso etumi edi abane wie ya yete ho nsem ni nyina enso edi ebremo hyease enso referee anase the first professional game no otumi hyease wo PSL onimu Premier Soccer League ekoso South Africa back in 2008 ano tumi nso ehyaase ano didimu ano dimu enso ekohremu FIFA panel back in 2011 ano hremu as FIFA referee ono nso etumi edidi FIFA kensi no dodo na enso etumi edi aba obekai katayimu a yekopiemu na France versus Australia Victor Gomez ana otumi edi ye sanso ana Japan versus Spain ono nso enya kwenya enso etumi edi sa game na World Cup any AFCON finals ni adede we di bebre uremu Confederation of African Football yen club interclub competitions are yebo that is the Champions League any confederation finals out on ana opening so etumi edia yete hunsem ni nyina enso edi ebremu nti Victor Miguel Gomez South African any African international referee any FIFA referee eni ono so edi ne nade eni na bani ni bibia ni host ni boot bibia etumi egu fama 40 years no ono so edia enya ade obetumi ato akoso edi ne matches bio eno so yede ho nsem ni nyina enso edi eba eno na etumi raise ensensem na amanfo bi kire so opani wo hwe dibre ani bebia anka ukwe pa dia anka wo modern konkan a uputi Africans no on the map so far as a refereeing and also football officiating enso ye concern na 40 years there undu bebia ba opani ni kira it is time so no so ebe calling no equit na watumi akwa dwene ne family ene ne busu nyina na wo so etumi enjoy together na ne o man so etumi akonkan a yete ho nsem no eba African national team you're from Morocco, the national team of Morocco. Womo so ekoko PM o Qatar 2022 World Cup womo eto so enai no ye nyina ye hu modern boy womo so etumi eko boy enso ede ma wiase nyina enti nei Morocco ana womo so etumi return kama womo so Babelante enso ewo team ana se Krobea ye from Morocco ni mu na womo ba no enti eba no ehse the entire Moroccan team no womo so decide say womo sika nyina sika by bonus se ni bibia ka hu nyina no wo mo so edeka koma mofra wo mu enibi enso ewo Morocco nti enya de entire team players ni nyina enya de obia agi simpua ana se dama krampo adi egu ni kotokuom wo mu de sa sika ni nyina da enso eko eye enye fan ana enye bibia wo mu de the entire mania wo mu enya wo tournament na se no ni nyina wo mu so edeko eno ye individual players no wo mu de ka koma wo mu a wo mu so enibi ewo Morocco krom ho na nyomanso no etumi akonkan yede ehonsem ni nyina enso ede eba yenremu ewo Europe ne yemfa stories ba ku mienu a eno so etodwa enso elho Association Calcio de Milan wo mo manager ye friend Stefano Pioli enso etumi ede nsem atuga ye kobi so openi se Abrantia ye friend Rafael Leao unim se last season no oje best player enso ewo Italian Scudetto ni mu player of tumi eboye in the long while na AC Milan etumi NG League no ono so etumi eboye mane motumi wini liga na echese mo modern monso no etumi ekonkan yepa inti Abrantie no nia eba echese anhwa na Abrantie ni betumi ebuna ketem edi free team ni mu eno na opanini dia tuga so womo ni akoda no etumi akasapa na Rafael Leao nso no eye willing so betumi este ewo San Siro Italy na wesi akan dia ama AC Milan ama ni omo etumi akonkan nti womo gusu a some boy final agreement na Abrantie ye friend Rafael Leao enso etumi assign contract extension with AC Milan na enu etumi prevent the interest from Chelsea sanka womanso betumi nya Abrantie ne service no na eno so etumi atonso mu a yede ehonsem ni nyina enso ede eba International de Milan womanso esi akan ewo Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ewo Italian Scudetto ni mu ene ana womo director ye friend Ozilio enso etumi dia ba betugasa ka krebi womanso eguso ani Abrantie ye friend Milan Skriniar enso kasa ewo contract extension ho sa Abrantie ne beje penny no de pen esi krata so assign long term contract with Inter Milan said they no so betumi prevent suitors and as a team sa woman so eba so umbenya the service of Abrantie friend Milan Skriniar obekaya last summer na Chelsea edidimu sanso ana Paris Saint-Germain woman so edidimu asanka umbenya Abrantie your friend Milan Skriniar entene womo ehwe se nkomo ne betumi akoso na womo so etumi ama no contract extension na bibia so no etumi akonkan kama nenumu ana director no esanso edi etugwa yenyira yenim dia Yekoko PM ewo Qatar no Cameroon national team no endru bebia ana Abrantie friend Andre Onana wo mutumi epam ni di free camp with indiscipline bia odon so etumi eko shosho na enumu ana wo mbuso opani se ne a Abrantie ya returning to Inter Milan no unye ni se sani oma no eno so ebetumi enya effect bi eye bad enso Abrantie ni performance so ana no so wo mo ne na kasa Abrantie ni ye 100% focus se enenu oyo bema pa nti ejuma de obetumi apo enso de ama Inter Milan ono so ede sem ni nyina enso ede etruga Italy ho na yeguso ayewo Napoli wo monso director ye friend Giantoli enso etumi dia tuga sa Abrantie ye friend Kiva Kvaratskhelia unim sa Abrantie no ono so young sensational wetumi abone bra ene nyoma nso no konkan yepa ede ama Abrantie ye friend Kiva Kvaratskhelia no dia ba betuga say Newcastle United any host of other teams enso ehwenim sa Abrantie no wo mo betumi nya ne service no nso etumi aba besi akan enso ede ama wo mo enumu no opani no so ede atuga sa Abrantie no de wo mo so hwenim se contract extension no ono so ebetumi asan enim se December ene bi de December 20th no na echese ye buewremu ewo January mu na echese January transfer window no eno so ye bie inti players no any teams ni bia agent no wo ma ye busy papa this festive season hwenim se January be bie no na teams no ene wo mo client no so no etumi enya better teams so etumi akobo ene sika nso no ebetumi abafie nti se no transfer stories no dudrona na nei efi eneko ye be breaki enso ediama live on Okoman Radio 97.1 live on Okoman Global Sports jete ho sem ni nyina enso edi eba genremu ewo Paris Saint-Germain wo mo president ye friend Nasser Al-Khelaifi enso etumi dia ba truga after say Messi Lionel enso etumi wini World Cup no edema Argentina no so opani say Messi no neni age papa ensembe na woka enso edia fa Messi with regards to say ono so ebetumi standing a contract with Paris Saint-Germain Saint-Germain je nyina yenim say FC Barcelona womo so ehwe enim say abrante ni betumi return to Spotify du Camp Nou na wa ba beto na kensie so enso ede ama wo no panini dia to gaso bibia konkan kama womo so ehwe enim say Lionel André Messi Leon womo betumi extend the contract na nyoma so etumi akonkan ede ama Paris Saint-Germain na emom no abrante a obo wo mabaso abrante friend no Kylian Mbappé Lotin ene Lionel André Messi womo ana ye best tour womo so esi akadema Paris Saint-Germain womo very efficient very powerful up fronter womo etoto ntena ntie ne nika said these two teams and I say two players etumi ebo womo ho modern enso wo Qatar 2022 World Cup na so ya ene Neymar and I say abrante a ono so ye friend no Kylian Mbappé Lotin wini golden shoe na abrante friend no Lionel André Messi wini the ultimate trophy any golden ball no na chese nyoma so no be konkan e ama Paris Saint-Germain na wo motumi ato akoso akonka Europe nyina na UEFA Champions League eno so eda wo anim no wo mo so etumi ato akoso akwaje a ye de ahonsem ni nyina enso ede eba unim se Brazilian national team no enioma etumi ankonkan amfa ma wo mo e FIFA World Cup eno so etumi eto dwa no enti wo mo ehwe ni mu aso pani a ye frɛ no Chiche Leonardo unim so ono so edi n'edwuma no so no etumi ato fam a ene ye hwe ni mu se ono so betumi ahye na nyoma so no etumi akonkan a yete ahonsem ni nyina enso ede eba enti opani ni de aba betu ga se Carlo Ancelotti ono Real Madrid womo so manager enti Don Carlo Ancelotti ani ekobisa ni so pani enei wo hwe papers every Brazil bana wonso one of the managers Brazilian national team no consider some so ba be yejuma enso ede ama womo enum no opani a friend no Don Carlo Ancelotti enso echiremu a our contract with Real Madrid until June 2024 enti ono de ohwe enim so be fulfill bibibia enso ede ama Real Madrid na mmom no future pa de enya ade obi bia enso enim future no enti bibia betumi asesa na mmom sisi ane de contract with Real Madrid ohwe enim so betumi abo ejuma with Real Madrid na enioma so etumi akonkan ene ne nsem a Don Carlo Ancelotti enso etumi ede aba betugo a yete ho nsem ni nyina enso ede eba Karim Mustafa Benzema enso player ono so esi akadema Real Madrid ono French international striker ba kwa ono so etoto ntena esi akadema nioma nyina enso etumi konkan na brantie no after say FIFA World Cup 2022 ekoso enso Qatar through injury ntino abrante ne free camp went to me in second farmer France no ono so etumi ene no announcing retirement from international football enti abrante friend no Karim Mustafa Benzema ede ababetu gwa senya dia ono so ebesi akan biu enso ede ama the French national team no enti ene odini bibia ni boot ene ni jersey ene ni bibia enso egu fem a oba be focus more e the club side no we see akan enso ede ama Real Madrid yete ho sem ni nyina enso ede eba na ne stint with the French national team no abrante friend no Karim Mustafa Benzema etumi esi akan no 97 games no tumi eboye score 37 goals enso ede ma national team no na ene openi no so no ede ni nkuku nkaka nyina enso etumi aba na wie ya eno so Quello no quit in the national football team yete ahonsem ni nyina enso ede eba Lionel André Messi Leo Coutinho na chese say no ono ana ne ogini dia Lionel Messi ono ana ogini din na uhwemu a ne yoye Instagram post bi na efe papa abra na wo mu efri mu enso ekono play ni mu nim se trophy no na esi nanimu a ene wetwa kama photo fefe enso de aba beto a eno so efe ye panti uhwemu o Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 onso betumi a enjoy said the Lionel André Messi Leo enso edit trophy no enso eginani a amanu man so no etumi konkan hono a yete ahonsem ni nyina enso ede eba uhwemu Argentina ene na Argentina so ekwakopiemu Argentina na Argentina wo mo president ye frɛ no Alberto Fernandez declare eneno as holiday national holiday enso edema Argentina entene uhwemu Argentina especially Krobea Iris no enya semkuma wa bra Lionel André Messi together with the team wo mo so ede trophy na kokopiemu Argentina mamu na nya asem keto akra peni ebehwe intene ye national holiday enso Argentina ukopiemu obibia sanka Black Stars of Ghana ekokopiemu wakati na nka trophy wo mo na ede ba na ene ana wo mo landia na nka kyerese ene ye nkra nka nya de betumi abejuma ye national holiday ye nyina ye tenafi ebia ana ene Mr KB ebeka so ya gude mu ensem intene sadia mo metena se na mbobo ho enye sa pa dia anka ye nyina ye tenafi amanu omanso no etumi akonkan kama ntene enya de a nneoma nso no ekọ ahogroso kra ewa Argentina kromu a ura hwa ye de ye papa enti wo muguso a enso enjoy brand ye friend no Alexis Mark Alester enso ye player osi akan edema Brighton and Hove Albion we si akan dia manager ye friend no Graham Potter onukuru ya ne manager ono nso etumi esan brand no na brand ne de nsem aba ba tuga se papa ye friend no Graham Potter waje World Cup ne mu maseda kese pa no so no odema papa ye friend no Graham Potter senior Graham Potter ne stint with Brighton no ono nso etumi etetew no na oye nneoma nyina ama nneoma etumi ekonkan enso edema no ene ono nso edo panina se so ono nso no ewe hand ewe ni performance a eno so etumi etodwa enso ewe kata no enti no ye no nsem a Alexis Mark Alester enso etumi aka edi afa Chelsea wo manager ye friend no Graham Potter enso ho a ye di ni nyina enso edi etuga Julian Lopetegui enso eye manager anaso no so e former manager ono so ani nemu a sisi no waba be pimu enso ewe Wolves aso ye Wolves team a wo mususi akan ewe the English Premier League ni mu ana Julian Lopetegui enso edi nsem kakra to go for World Cup no say World Cup we no ebeko into the history book World Cup we no all time classic tournament yen etumi abo ewo FIFA calendar ne so far as a FIFA World Cup nso no concern enti we no o describe no as all time classic and any Julian Lopetegui on also ne verdict on the FIFA World Cup so enso ewo kata yete hu sem ni nyina enso eti eba ensiwa Southampton wo so boss ye friend no Nathan Jones on also edi nsem kakra kotuwa se ene uhwe mu pa dia enya asem kuma kra uhwe mu pa dia kata World Cup eno so etumi ekoso no na chese nneoma etumi ekonkan papa enso etumi edi ema tournament no into ono so bompani for organizers no especially FIFA ene kata for na nkasa omode wo nan esi form with all the bad stories enioma nene na mo nyina omode wo nan esi form etumi organize tournament eno so eson sedia na chesa sedapa ana ono so ede makata any FIFA president so wo so etumi abompai ana se wo ma yejumaden ama tournament no etumi ababa ye krabehwe eno no ensem a papa ye friend no Nathan Jones ono ye manager ede ma Southampton e the English Premier League ni mu ono so etumi ede ababa tuga that ye hunsem ni nyina enso ede eba enti aha na ebrema kwan ama ye de amana ne nsem a yenso yetumi ebobuano ni nyina enso eba besi na manyoman so etumi aye kama ye ba nefe ya ba behwe efisem Bet Power Ghana Premier League endra matches mienu etumi etokoso enenso matches mienu enso etodwa ye bepa na ene ye de honsem kakra enso etumi ede abaye bia na ya tenase table of discussion na nso etumi ahihye so na enyoman so etumi akoso kama tidwene na nyoma etumi enkonkan upetumi ede WhatsApp ene o text message nyina enso etumi ede aba 0205 818748 we no number ekasimedu ne asoro dwumedie no so a yebebia homa no na nso wetumi afraba na ne ometumi ay kama 0205 818748 and I say 0551 667755 0551 667755 eno WhatsApp eno text message sanso ana ye bie phone ins na eno so betumi afre na ne o metumi akonkan 0551 667755 sanso ana 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 now so etumi afraba na ne o manso etumi akonkan ina bibianso no etumi aye kama yenko na yenkofa Ghana Bet Power Premier League no ehun sensem enso emfa embra.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. Get the ration more. I say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. Get the ration more. Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there, we've been there.
All right, and you know, this is our own. Let's cherish our own. And no, Ghana Bet Power Premier League. And I dia ho sensem no nyina enso e de eba match day 9 onum say about match day 8 ni wie ya ana ne ye kokko piemu e break ye kokko piemu wo Qatar FIFA World Cup Mundial no so no etumi ehhehye so se ni oma no nyina etumi aba ne wie ya eventually Argentina etumi a lift the ultimate wo mo so e de akwa piemu enti na hu behia say ye local league no enso e betumi a start e betumi a hyase na ni oma so no etumi aye kama enti match day 9 no endra ana ye hyase a results out na etumi etomu endra ye nya 2 matches and also to me eto dwase netie Accra Lions and so to me etna fie and summer test 1996 and so eto me equity ya obi bia ehye ka no baakon el honomo sanso ana ubiemu and so wa dance park bibia ni Go Stars and so no eto me ehye ka ne baakon Real Tamale United and so no entumi ante enti ujani e wo Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 onso beto me enjoy results out no said ya sebi se wason enya onso beto me edi weni enso etumi hu results outro and enso etumi eto dwano ya catch us say clear vivid description of the stories ana yedi nyina enso edi eba enti se wasonya sebi ubetumi enso edi weni etumi hu on our social media platforms sanso ana se weni so nya onso o dial 97.1 o frequency ewo radio ni so a onso ubetumi etie ama ni o man so etumi akonkan kama ama bibia so etumi aye fine yeti hu sem no eba enenso 2 crucial matches ana enenso etodwa 2 crucial matches ana etoja uwiemu ewo Insuatreman FC 3 p.m. sharp womso any team you from Accra Lions and I say Accra Hasselhoff ana ebo yes glorious impressive Accra Hasselhoff womso any Insuatreman ana ebo inti Accra Hasselhoff and so kwa way to Insuatre na sa game no so no etumi abaso 3 p.m. sharp ana betumi abaso match we no live on Star Times and so betumi eji ama nyoma etumi akon kan kama big game na kasapa enso baso Accra Great Olympics kwa kupiemu ewo soga kope because of say Accra Sports Stadium no enya available for use enti no womu soka kupiemu ewo soga kope wafa na eno AstroTurf no game na etumi akoso enti eduana enso efridoma kwa kupiemu ewo soga kope eho ana womu so no eka akotoa Accra Great Olympics na game na etumi akoso eno so 3 p.m. match we no enya de beba live enti no nsu athre ne glorious impressive Accra Hasselhoff game no ana betumi aba live sanso ana Accra Great Olympics enso eni eduana Stars no eno so ebetumi akoso kama ama nneoma so no etumi akonkan wenso ni games outdoor eno enso ebetumi atodwa jedi ni nyina enso ede eba enti na chese bibia no enso kama abedwafo atena se yeba be kumu na ya hwe nsem no mu nso no empensempensemu the return of the Bet Power Ghana Premier League no endra results etodwa enne enso matches eba ene ochenada kotoko ochena womane brekum Chelsea ana ebo ewo Papa Yara Sports Stadium enti yeba be di nkomo kakra na yehu se de nneoma nso no ebesi akontimema abedwafo nso no akwaba na discussion no so etumi asha se senior
Krobea
Makwaba
we do so
bibia ya fine
nyame adom
great
kama bibia kama
great ahoden wo
nyame adom ahoden wo pa
okay solo
yo Krobea
bibia ya fine
about the adom bibia boko
ebusuafo no ye
yes obia hu ye
okay
tonso hu ye dia
bibia ya fine
yeah
bibia ya fine
okay
ye bedin komo kakra
yeah
abaye ejuma na ya hwe said ya enioma eden esieko
Morocco funny the music na ya do ye
yes Morocco enya de a team ni nyina the entire team a wo mukopie mu e ho no especially the playing body not even a single soul
Jessica first kana yes
debi
am the na akwa ya
yes Hakim Ziyech crowd ono crowd wo mu ba Morocco no osanchira house ono the government no flight to Chama ono crowd ono ade ne private one ne beba on say aban no we bia to ono a one abrante friend of Masraou private jet wo personal fuel na wo na wo de buy enti eno so no enya de wo baji penny already unim say Hakim Ziyech the on Jessica ono national team no starting ono de on Jessica on national team no
yeah
obokeke on Jessica enti and also no.
Say nkrofo bi 8 year. Amunso hu se ne ombeyen.
I think the woman so air dia ombo to me aya behind the scene. Woman air dia ombo to me aya dia boa. Abi ya we.
I say Krobea. We say behind the scene over to my baby. Boy, we want to be ya we. But don't say now send a Bible cause any passion e tu enuyam. But I nyankopon na ehwa akomam. Say we behind the scene here hu a yentimi nka ho asem. But na epu ba abonten na na ye ka ho asem. And then I was here, I came to Jama Cash on national team in all the nation na
yes.
And now one concern is ensemble back because
fought for him.
So back
as against the manager.
Yeah.
Now
that time no that time no.
Is the major part what manager do want qualify for cup one sack.
Yeah. Because or sacrifice our own
This is a player.
So unti am be checheren. Who say me car. Meeting work when me ask you say meeting me ka bibia kire. But we won't ya me ka. Me na me bo ntini say me decide say won't me ya me hwe wo. And the man nation na sorry dia say no. Because of onu nkwan ntide and you be say aka. And pan so oba no so otimi bibi nti me wa say watimi ani netimi na say tima ka bom na ne wonya nyina wode aya adoi.
Players omu ni Morocco fana no mu so mu no mu ye bi. Amunye bibi
and you be an in sky.
Yen ka say amu fenche de but amunye bibi.
Okay. Enti no solo mama sha se mfem free ho. Yen hwe Bet Power Premier League e sha se endrano and yenya exciting results to me e buy. Accra Lions ye nyina ye nim form na wom before answer na ye be breaky season no na wom wo fom ye pa. And one more essence or tenefia Samates ebo 1-1. Samates ye nyina ye ni mo say season ni nyina na wo mu win game bia. But draw no na na edoso. Wo mu konya 1-1 eho. Bibia ni Go Stars. And so ebo modern e win by 1-0 against Real Tamale United. Bibia ni Go Stars. Enne Hasofuk eni nso atreman ana ebo. Papa your friend no Slavko Matic en lose game. Oba be so has mo lose game. Nsu atreman so en lose game. Ewo nsu atre ho wo mu lose a single game. Ewo dance park Kronmansan Park. So Nana Kronmansan Park. Wo mu lose game. And so ewo ho. Into very tight game pa na ne ye ba be hwe. Ana Accra Great Olympics any Adriana Stars ana airport. Mame Mao be
Tam ne de mi apa.
Simadu. Debbie. Mame Mao be 8 minutes. Fashion and drag game no any game na ebaso.
Okay. Probably am that say na mame nchia wo na me nchia tiefo ni ahwefo nso mo hwe yen e wo Facebook. And also my friend back on birthday. Our Abokobi boy Accra and ni manche happy birthday and so uncle and fema or no our baby biara or na men kanu na unshira no nto no kwanem and Bibiano Go Stars we near against Real Tamale United they go to 0. Yes. Na another metra ha kan say we Go Stars Niama nko yi anfa mo after some every Division 1 league ni mo e baye and okwan o mo fa so e qualify ye be wura mu enso e wo eye Ghana Premier League no e ye obi ade e ma o mo so e baye be bo adwuma e ka mu and ye share season as no then share dan ko yi enfema eye coach Michael say and then the man no but Andra o mo transfer winning 1-0 and break we na break ya na tumi abo clubs ni bi ama omanya that victory no and ye na ye nim so wokọ sa bibia ni hono mu de a ni ma ba bi e be den e de ama wo ye na ye hu last season ni o ekoye e de ma clubs ni bi e take a certain Kumasa Santa Kotoko and I think wafa no e de tumi akọ ho ekonya that victory and so ho na so munya better results e wo ho no mo maka no mo kwa omudi and so dance park nti me ball my bass so say omanyo first win after say break you know and so to me dey buy Accra Lions to also with fine form no though or draw a 1-1 against FC Samates but oye adwuma Accra Lions coach Ibrahim Tanko any coaches na aka no ye ewo team ni mu a adwuma a eso ani omo ba league ni mu no omo modern mo na nheda nkonkan ewo league ni but omo yire omo ho se ombekam and this season so far 9 matches ameka say ya bono omo modern mo ya de a ewo soro ye kwa league log no so a omo so compete for top 4 ni bi and so our leg log no so and omanya 1-1 dance ombenya that 0-0 and as ombeka say ombe lose that game no FC Samatex near man share down ko yefem omo oba home away eba benya draw and so on a better results at the Emma two teams no enyina and Great Olympics Asia Diana Stars
yeah but before we call Great Olympics dey no so no yemfa lines no and so into egwa bio na enyoma so enye kama obetumi Africa simadu na sorry so ya any WhatsApp text message na 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and I said 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 ni nyina yebie ahoma no a obetumi afre enso afa so WhatsApp message and text message na onso obetumi ediaba toazo.
Oya two teams no recent performance Great Olympics 5 matches in the last 5 games wabono we winning 2 alusu 2 and our draw 1 olusu dima brekum Chelsea 1-0 olusu dima RTU and as Royal Tamale United 2-1 owini 2-1 and olusu dima Legon Cities and also 2-0 obeshe Midiama 1-0 ona olusu dima Samatex and as our draw 0-0 so 5 matches we winning 2 elusu 2 a draw 1 and compare ne dey to team and dey so the Diana Stars so here Diana so performance ne 5 matches we won the last 5 matches we winning 3 and we lose 2 and a game emu den and Diana winning against Brekum Chelsea Legon Cities and Midiama oya side Diana winning na a toughest side Brekum Chelsea a bono derby and omubebo and emu den compared to Midiama the same thing emu den make us Legon Cities and a beer a club by Bano middle part of the table no Legon Cities ube huomo and so honomanti ama then shed them bro Diana Stars so but Legon Cities kita an equally good coach Bano experience ewo coach man the modern mono ade was coach and so ade Maxwell Kunedu wa coach Kumasa Santoko ko de o ma league ni bida enti so wuhia na wo hye no ade a wo modern mono was enti na wutumi hye no enti so ya hye form kita 2 teams ne dey America say Diana Stars club the modern mono was as in Great Olympics but Diana ekọ as home away team and Olympics ebo home but game we no ade ba go betumi favor Diana Stars ne say Olympics mo Accra Sports Stadium and I know betumi aboa ama Diana Stars ebe bo am kakra because omu na ekwa away and Olympics ebo home there but obo no home away from home yes. And a war bomb and idea ebetumi aboa or bobo kwani and so the Diana Stars but the last time 2 teams in Asia Great Olympics say we need 2-1 editia Diana Stars enti na cho say ne modemono o share Diana e was from and so ekakra enti game no emu be den but me share nim say ebe kwa diama bobo kwani Diana Stars and Olympics best ebe draw that game no and so emu and then so another game one and also so eba no how to folk in so atreman game no ye game anoye den how to folk Sunday odi kan no after say coach a puppet and I say Nidino Krano
Matic
Slavko Matic yeah and also a Serbian sir puppet and so a Serbian after so nobody no lose game here in so atreman so team back one so we better home now we lose no and also yeah ade emu ya den ɛnso wɔ hɔ ɔno nso ntumi lose game ɛnso wɔ home nti two teams ni na no mɔdɛmɔ no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛwɔ soro ɔmo recent performance ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛwɔ soro ɔmo mɔdɛmɔ no ɛkɔ nkan but yɛ breaki yɛ a Heart of Oak ɛbɔ friendly matches no na nneɛma nhyɛ da ɛmfa ma ɔmo ɛnɛ Heart of Oak nso players ni bi ɛho nsɛm akɔyɛ bibia wɔ hɔ ɔmo agya aberante ne deɛ de fata kwan ɔmo agya ɛyɛ mo alhasa kwan and minim sɛ free baneɛ ɛbɛyɛ available for selection ɛnso ɛnɛ
ɛnyɛ likely
sɛ baneɛ nso bɛyɛ available and yɛhyɛ Heart of Oak set up mu a any time bi ɔmo bɛbɔ ball a free baneɛ ɛnso anim no affect us etumi affect ɔmo so minim ɔkwan a coach Pap Matic ɛde bɛwura game no but nso atrɛ ɛtina fie emiti Heart of Oak ne deɛ ɛyɛ tough game ɛde ma Heart of Oak best ɛwɔ game win bɛyɛ draw.
Okay nti Heart of Oak one more best and share na akɔ draw no ne nsɛm a Paradise nso etumi aka yɛnhwɛ Facebook messages kakra etumi aba Kofi Agyeman Blackman dey about watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra ɔno nso ɛde wo message na to ma ba yɛnso yɛ da ase sanso ana Oyibo Boaten nso yɛ aba from Etwima Nebi in Kumasi watching you live. Kotoko will beat Brekum Chelsea by hook or crook. Fabulous, the greatest. And also your Oyibo Boaten so message or Diaba AK and so the fire emoji sununi nemua. Yes, or your heart the pop Starboy and so about watching the show live and clear at Ahafomem Airport. Champion Krobea Asante, more fire. Kotoko is winning their game against Brekum Chelsea tomorrow. Greetings to Yasma, Oyibo Boaten, Tactics Man, and my lovely father, no joke. And also any messages are, and also free Facebook are yadinina, and so at the about WhatsApp message, and so be to me at the bar 0551 667755. Sansono Anna ube to me, and so Afre. Yes, I think says baby a brine dunede senior gusu kasa na ofreba na onso ya agye wenu di semti lines no sisi no widely opened ye bie atomu betumi afre na onso wetumi akye wadwen otumedie ne so 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 and I say 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I say 0270 919971 senior gusu kasa no a ofreba onso yebetumi agye waje nkyere na nyoma etumi akọ kama senior yenhwe Ghana Premier League no aretene yenhwe going forward and drama matches so ene dia yeko ene dia expect from the subsequent games
onse yebechia etiefu biem na yahwe se Premier League is back na yakane se yema inferior na nka ewo ho for the start na wake up and take when I was here to make sure say masani money down but because we say and na Premier League come back but any penny na ya we every name say bianca starting never start but we the uncle ban say aye what you na ya sha say on Monday na next be been to Friday until mesere jeff pen for say ma we announcement ni ade no na say we know akosoro more pa say na be ya ni pa adwun be say adwun den asan abaso yo ye hwe enra na start enra hwe summer test na ye we am hwe akra ba o hwe ball na hu say o mo say ball ni na ye all right
okay. Senior mama fa oyi ewa ma so hello
good afternoon Krobea.
Good afternoon udini baby akasa free
etimo kasa free Royal Junction
masa mayintio
yo nitia woni wa begwafo nyina nyamehyiram ene eduma pa moye na mu nyina fishapa na kuma tief na fishapa na meka no se o Morocco fo o adwene pa o wonti no nyankopon so bekoso ahyira won na peda won sa se no ball wa de won wede ko ball ya wo twitwa wo bra what is kana wo ganyan what the kwa koma orphanage won na wo need what kwa koma ene pa eta won adwene ti hade there be afani be ka se there be nenya ta ko se yesa mu fa me yefa hye kotokum na wode ama wona wode ama won kura ambo no o so wa nyina asa so Morocco fa dwene pa kura wonti nti sa ebe ne omani ya bompa ya ta amachi we yanka funya de bo bompa ya ta Morocco fa ti to ko so akọ nyanyim sa ameshira no ewia so me hye kotoka good luck
yo eno masa etie mu no no so de ne dia ba no yes esane intetepa a wo mo de ti wo mo players no ene Nioma award players in fame muntino. Almost so service ye but the Ayedian players if you move 100 masa say ya no one so ebe ya no
itane wo be ya nen nti no sene ye ka no na hwe e na match na start nti wo hwe ahokeka and the way a players ne ball na wo do wo ball no already by sene ya ahokeka na se ni wa fi so wo se wo atena fi ache nti no esro be 1 month ni wo atena fi nti no esro ahoɔden na wɔde hyɛ ase no wo se wo tena be training ade nyina already but e do match proper so se na abɔ no fa so se na e wo bɔ eye friendly match fa nti no we see ball no right. Some test in the guy I share first go and say I go we go south from the better way. So I just intend but we say ball no right but I can and what didn't say anymore intend na fatigue ni aden so e won because one thing if you change if you was recover back intend and what it just say mpemfo no trainers ni aden ni won fa so yam just say bebuya we ya sha sim just say betima ya hwe na match as you folk and instructor match in a very tough match. Men Canada a very tough match because sending a record per record. Nature say instructor man say we better fee pa lose match de a better thing. Say we better fee pa you know. And I say for now I match a coach a buy has to folk buyer. Once we lose match be for almost 5 matches 4 matches we lose match be it means coaching soon management then oh yeah. By quite fee no na ensemble back and we say we start here. I'm going to quite ensemble back. Speed na record which we break it nya dey betimi
okay senior mama fa of refuyi ewa hello all right senior twaso
yeah we tell me just say we share
mama fa ahoma no into Ghana betumi asanso afre 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 Frebra now so be chere wadwan akasima no be yenum na ya sorry jumedi no so so senior to aso
we tell me be de wo hwe ensem so a asi wo aye house of folk
okay be sanso ejina hello okay enti senior to aso
edam kan sem asi wo house of folk a aye place lekọ one stand one person will stand one contract one be enti no say no so be ade bi ebetime anya in fact e wo aye across folk so but because of say place ni say dan stable here one say all ko so onko say unti ebe ha wadwene but coach ni nim na adwuma den all here all ni players ebetime aboa no for this league wetime di one year adwuma enti no na be gina here coaches too no so say senior start league because now no won the 9th week enti no we shall see here wetime ko because of year breaking enti je say and match na ebe yedin ama class for coming can best be draw has best be draw
and ebe yedin bibia dem anti Frebra na ende beche wadwen ewo honomo hello good afternoon udini baby akasa free
good afternoon meeting the Uku Francis Zona from Lampard no free waza
Lampard my intio
yo me I tell you I mean players in management ni biase tembia prayer bia be so we has bia ko bia na e de paper player sakasa ni na ba players ni has management tem dem pa na has management tembia play bi peso fo kwa media
okay enti eno no Lampard and so by has in 7 day no quick on that Abranti Efreno Fatah Mohammed former captain or the Ababe to go say House of Folk akache on any deputy captain Mohammed Alasan officially say they are not yet titi one from Muma ye be break ye more community for no no kware pepepe has say wo monkope team wo monkofa team umbra na wo monton won aka wo nyina 1 year contract inti anumu na Abranti no so endra interview on Sports Obama TV etumi grant Abranti no echire mu say ono de House of Folk team no nioma bi nkakra bi ho ayen koyie nsem bi okekan ya ne no eteki airwaves ni kire se so ono de on allow and also into a free year ban for say on extending the contract and fama House of Folk no more e Ghana Premier League ni mu na mmom no say a free year ban e be sign na obekodia eno de obema obeka kire a free year ban so on sign contract na House so enya sika ansa na wakọ yemfa of referee e wa hello Good afternoon, Udini baby Akasa free.
Good afternoon. Where Kasola?
Oh, champion Kasola.
Chawai.
Yante on crack.
It's a system now.
Yes.
Akwana to what yes in Tiaja.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Naja. Could be out of Colano near Ebusianso. I want to encourage a Juma 7 at the name.
Okay. Chama,
yo, Krobea, I'm saying, Monia Juma Paone, where the Jaffa Moshawa, and Chiason Coma, Eki, the Yo, be a real in Chiason.
Odim.
Yo, Yano. Krobea, I share, as I say, any in coma, Catafo, who shares the woman too, and wake up, yeah. In fact, then that should was a catabiti, but Juma Catafo General. If a bro agent, closing ceremony, Juma will sign BBR Coso. Jackass Coma Argentina for any Messi. Media. Maybe a kind of Ronaldo fan. There's also Juma Dia Messi Akobo World Cup. We are Abrante no say apa support there. Na Yemra Ghana. So your league I started and started. Now she said the Akofana. Yes, them people say nobody na found can share Emina Enkoyi because then you when you also World Cup. We share Nigerian Yama also. I will go to Amazwa. Ghana your league no. Nigerian enti esere people say won akwa be won ko share bibi e de Ghana say won ba Ghana league no so etumfo so and enti no won yire mo ho house folk misra say be photo to akwa na ene jumadi no enkoma house folk mi chia wo wa bedwafo nyina na Christmas is so yantemo nka na yehu bibi akobia eke ene nyina ya mi shrabo.
Okay, yanso yeda wase wonso ma yente onka pop yete o pesa o te yenka na wonso wa ma yate onka na ne o man so etumi akonka ntino I don't think say ebre ensheda any inside or chinada ensemo a branch friend Mohammed Al-Hassan former captain and I say Mohammed Fatau ede ba betu gua no ene ono andra nsemo kekan ene ya wasanso ede cheopa ba nti o china ye behwe sansem ni mu ye ni akuma so say haso folk any players no endi ni ye and I say players no part no ana woman so any club no endi ni ye in the name of say woman we be put club no into a shame ye be ba na ba behwe sansem no enso enyina fi o china da eko yeko solo yeko
yeah, Krobea, nyame adoma sa fatal issue no. Ebe address ochina na ya hwese ne yeti yenchia yetiefo ene ya hwefo nyina no mungusu endi yachi ye World Cup no ye ba Ghana Premier League. Okay. League na shase obia endi yachi no support ne team no. Okay. Na ye hwese ye dia ye wo o man no man ye enti ye support it.
All right, we are ana yewo senior yeko ubetu
yeah isane yeka na yereko ebe ka chire tie wo senior yeka na ebe me hwese wo be nya entiase wo because fata say team aka wan ye na team ka jiko na ko hwe team bra ne yenton wa atimi na say wo hwe okwan me so no meka say nya right because then na me no work on na me go hwe team na team no wachina ye ba ye be ko ye
all right enti and also and ye be do bibiase a ogibre etie ogibre ehwe yen live on our social media platforms and so ebrason see the Okoman Global Sports the afternoon edition no and so be to me e de aba ne wieye executive producer Henry Kofi Anson Bafo HD Nana Kofi Okore as German AK and so anedi ni shuka se no to wa na yimede me nan hihye mu ejire mu as your host Krobea Asante Pasolo Paradise Otenenka sanso ana senior on duty and so Otenenka DJ Vibes and so producer otumi boy man nyoman so no etumi konkan on DJ Donzi DJs Gibi boy ama jumedie no streaming live on our social media platforms and also etumi so konkan ye bedo bibiase so jibre eje ne time ne bibia e de support jumedie no ye sorry so ama jumedie awudo no nyina enso etumi atoaso good afternoon
let's cherish our